Hello people, so this is the sixth video and so Ayush, which is your favorite food that you like to eat? Take a bite and tell us.
Hmm. Uh, le- hmm. Cake.
Cake? Okay, what kind of cake?
Chocolate cake.
Really? So that's your favorite?
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Chocolate birthday cake.
Oh my god. So today we are going for a movie.
I don't know what it is.
It's called Sanju.
No. I want another movie.
Okay, so
It's
you
Lightning
like
McQueen.
you like watching movies?
I like movies are longer and longer.
Okay, but it's already a 1 minute video. We'll catch you in our next video.
Hello.
Until then, thanks
I
for
like
watching
Lightning
and please
McQueen.
subscribe.
I like